Hello viewers, today in this video I'm going to tell you how you can change the language of your Google Chrome. For this, open Google Chrome. On the right side you can see three dots here. Click on it. And below here you can see setting. Click on it. Scroll down. Click on advanced. And scroll down. You can see here languages. Click on language English. If you want to add any language, click here, add languages. You can search your desired language here. Click on the language you want to select and hit add. Now you can see the language you selected appeared here. On the right side there are three dots. Click on it and hit on display Google Chrome in this language. Now Google Chrome is displayed in this language. If you like this video, please if you like this video, please like, share and comment on the video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more updates.